Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by collecting the exact hardware and tools: frame, hanging kit, tape measure, level, drill, and anchors. You want to know why matching hardware to wall type prevents pull-out. Once ready, measure the desired center and mark lightly at eye level. Make a second lower mark where the mounting will sit. Make sure to check for studs. If none, pick the correct anchor size. Then use your level to confirm marks are straight before any drilling. Now you install the supports that carry the load. First, select an anchor rated for your frame weight. Toggle for heavy loads, plastic, or threaded for lighter pieces, because anchor choice prevents failure. Next, drill a pilot hole matching the anchor diameter, clear dust, and drive the anchor flush. Attach the chosen hanger hardware to the frame, D-rings, sawtooth, or wire. Tighten screws enough to hold but not strip. Once set, recheck alignment with the level and adjust if needed. Lift the frame carefully and place it on the mounted hardware. Have someone steady the other side for large or heavy pieces. Once hung, step back and use the level. Small adjustments come from shifting the wire or adding felt pads behind one corner. Make sure the frame sits flush to the wall to avoid rocking. If the frame tilts or the anchor pulls out, stop and switch to a stronger anchor, move to a stud, or add a second anchor spaced horizontally to distribute weight and eliminate slipping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.